Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
सांखळे आनी फोंडे सोडल्यार उरिल्ल्या 11 नगरपालिकांच्यो वेंचणुको वांगडा जातात. 4 नोव्हेंबराक ह्या नगरपालिकांचो टर्म सोंपता. सरकारान 18 ऑक्टोबराची तारीख सुचयल्या.
Yeah, actually the tenure of 11 municipal councils gets over by 4th of November this year. So we have to hold election at least 15 days before the expiry of the tenure. So government has suggested 18 October, 18 October 2020 for holding the elections.
Okay, any communication regarding pending ZP election, any communication from government?
As of now, there is no date suggested.
सरकारान तारीख थारायल्या खरी, मात कोविडाच्यो केशी तो मेरेन कंट्रोलान आयल्यारूच ही वेंचणूक जावपाक पावतली. आनी नगरपालिकांची वेंचणूक घेवपाक मेळ्ळी जाल्यार बरोबर जिल्हा पंचायती घेवपाचेर विचार सरकारी पावंड्यार चल्ला. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार.